What are you doing here?
Ikaw ang pumatay kay Zack.
My goodness. Haven't we done this a million times already, Inspector?
Ikaw ang isa pa naglagay ng eye drop sa water bottle ni Zack.
How? How, Inspector? All you have are assumptions. Wala kang proof kasi kung meron man, edi sana noon pa namin alam. Ano? Di mo kayang i-prove na I was near Zack's flask the night of his murder?
Dahil ginawa mo to the day before. Pinagpalit mo yung water bottle nila ni Luke. Hindi ka naman basta makalapit kay Zack dahil galit ka sa kanya. At alam ni Zack yun. Kaya ang ginawa mo, nilagyan mo ng eye drop yung water bottle niya. At yun din ang water bottle na nilagyan ng eye drop ni Hector Baltazar. Na doble yung dosage. Hindi naman nakakamatay kung isang bote lang ng eye drop. Pero dahil napasobra, nagiging deadly. Nakakamatay. Sinira niya yung buhay mo. Kaya gumaganti ka. Kaya mo...
Can you blame me? Can you blame me? Inspector, sinira niya yung buhay ko. He released videos of me, of us, na intimate kami. He violated me as a woman. I was never the same after that. He betrayed me. He abused my trust.
Una na kami. Bye-bye!
Di ka ba nagigilty na papa mo lang nakakulong? Ha?
Umamin siya. Di ba? He's guilty. May kasalanan siya. May kasalanan siya kay Zack. May kasalanan siya kay Mommy. May kasalanan siya sa akin. Let him pay for his sins.
How about your sins?
I'll pay for my sins. If not now, then in the future. I'm ready.